Hi, boys and girls. It's a really exciting day because you have completed almost an entire week's worth of remote learning. So that's really something to be excited about. We are going to review a letter, and I have two new letters to share with you guys today. So first, let's review our letter. Who can tell me what this letter is? Very good. It is T, top, T. Can you think of something that makes the t, t, t sound? When I think of the letter T, and I'm trying to think of something that begins with a T, I'm thinking of telephone or TV or Taven. That could be someone's name. So I want you to think about some things at your house or something that you know that begins with the letter T, top, T. Great job. We also have two new letters. So my next letter that we're going to learn about is this letter. Does anyone know what this letter is? It is the letter B. And this is an uppercase B and a lowercase b. And this is a bat. And letter B makes the sound B, B. So we can say B, bat, B. Can you say that? Very good. Do you know what we use a bat for? You're right. We use a bat when we play baseball or softball. Great job. Do you have the letter B in your name? I want you to get out your name tag today and look. And you might, at the beginning of your name, you might find an uppercase B, or maybe in your last name, you might find an uppercase B. Or in your name, somewhere in the middle of your name, you might find, or even at the end of your name, you might find a lowercase b. So go ahead and look at that name tag and see if you have any B's in your name. My first name is Bree, and I start with an uppercase B. The other letter we're going to talk about today is the letter F. Letter F. F, fun. Let's go ahead and practice saying it again. F, fun. I want you to think about something that you like to do that is fun. I find that going fishing is fun. Fishing also starts with the letter F. Great job. So today we're going to practice writing the letter B, bat, B. So I want you to go ahead and pause the video and get out your dry erase board and your marker. And then we're going to practice writing. So you can go ahead and get out your marker, and remember we're going to pinch. And our middle finger is going to help us also write. So when we write the letter B, we are going to start up here, hopefully you can see this, at the skyline. I'll move it a little bit closer so you guys can see. So we're going to start at the skyline, and we're going to pull all the way down to the grass line. Great job. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pick up our marker and we're going to go to the plane line. And now what we're going to do is we're going to give ourselves a little curve. So how we make that is we're going to start at the plane line and we fly across just a little bit, and then we give it a small curve down to the grass line. Just like that. B, bat, B. Now, it's a little bit tricky, so you might need to practice lots of times if you're not getting the hang of it. So I want you to go ahead now and pause the video, and we're going to practice making B, bat, B. And you can practice it several times, and if there's an adult or someone at home to help you, you can have them check your work and make sure that you're doing them correctly. So let's go ahead and do it one more time, and then you guys can pause and do it on your own. You're going to start at the skyline. Pull down to the grass line. We're going to pick our pencil up, go to the plane line, and we're going to make a small curve to the grass line. Very good. Go ahead now and pause and work at your own pace on letter B, bat, B. Great job. Let's go ahead again and look at our card. Do you remember what the picture is? Very good. It is a bat. B, bat, B. Now, we also have our standard sound card, and this is also a letter B. This is just how the letter B might look in a book or also on our computer. Very good. All right, boys and girls, I hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.